What do you need for secure home automation? Home automation should be simple and effective, enabling you, the homeowner, to enjoy the comfort of your chosen lifestyle. But all home automation, from singular gadgets to complete solutions, has to be secure. I want to look at the solutions for secure home automation. Every system should give you the comfort and the way of life you want without compromise on security. So what does secure mean? A secure installation is not only one that can withstand hacking attacks or keeps your information safe, it goes beyond the obvious concerns about security. Being secure is not having to worry whether your technology is functioning as it should. That may be things like whether your car will start, if the fridge is running, or is the boiler supplying heat and hot water. When these things happen, it engenders a sense of security. If these functions are interrupted or fail to happen, the consequences can be challenging, possibly dangerous, or maybe even fatal. This is also security. An automation system installed in any building needs to be dependable, robust, and secure, but also upgradable when it makes sense to do so. It needs a level of flexibility. Commercial installations are organised to assess and mitigate these risks. Their high cost ensures they have the security and flexibility required. At residential level, however, the way that building automation is carried out is normally very different. Home installations are often cost conscious. So what do you need to consider when choosing home automation, and what is the best way to remain secure? For the home, there is a reliance on internet and Wi-Fi based products. The evolving nature for this market becomes further complicated by constantly changing Wi-Fi standards. There is the promise of ever faster mobile networks that will displace the home Wi-Fi network, and a lack of standardization. Updates and upgrades are commonplace, which can appear good, but this can have a downside too. Often the hardware is no longer capable of running the new software and becomes obsolete. Security has been cited by some consumer-based smart home product manufacturers as the reason to remove some systems from the market. Unfortunately, as some are cloud-based, all functionality can be lost. The paying consumer is left with non-functioning hardware and having to pay again for the same solution. This can leave a bitter taste. There is also the question of reliability of the internet connection, especially the Wi-Fi router. Sometimes it is very low quality. Often it is unsecure. In the case of cloud-based solutions that pass through the Wi-Fi router, there is also the constant question of information security. Even if the network is secure, what is the owner of the cloud service doing with your information? You need to choose a robust solution that has proven building automation credentials. Closed systems lock you into hardware and one single company. It has to be easy to use for everyone in the home, including voice compatible. You don't want to download multiple apps, each with a separate login. Full home automation is not a collection of disparate gadgets. To ensure your installation is secure, you don't want to be reliant on the internet and a Wi-Fi router. The internet should add functionality, but not be essential. And the security of your data is vital, both within your system and also via any server connection that you use. In every case, it should be an integrated system. Your choice for the home automation solution needs to be robust, non-proprietary, and future-proof. The installation must be ready for the coming changes to our energy system. Therefore, it must be capable of dealing with renewables and energy storage and electric car charging. If you want to upgrade the system, it should be how you choose to do it. If you want additions such as voice control, it should be the system of your choice, and it should be as an additional layer of functionality. That layer could be, for instance, a simple door lock or voice control. That voice control could be for your convenience, such as calling up a lighting scene when you're entertaining, but it could also be part of a support system to enable someone with disabilities to interact with their house. This is an assistive technology. Reliability is vital. So it must be secure, all the information is encrypted. Not internet dependent. The Wi-Fi router and internet connection is an option, although if included it adds an additional layer of user accessibility and convenience, such as phone and tablet apps allowing remote access, but not dependent upon a cloud-based server. Again, this should be your choice to enable greater functionality if you want it. End-user operability means a single intuitive app, simple enough that a confident end user could even set up the whole system to begin with. It needs to be voice compatible to allow access to all users. Wall switch design and colour should be your choice, matching the wall fixtures throughout your house. For safety, fully integrated smoke and heat alarms are essential. And there should be no additional costs for the house visualization. If you want remote access from your phone, then it should be via a secure cloud service that you can trust. And it has to be simple to install with straightforward cabling, no complex terminations, and standard DIN rail distribution board products. Finally, the system needs to have a proven history with multiple installations throughout the world. So what solutions are out there that tick all these boxes? The Tabon LUXORliving solution is designed as a home automation system. It uses KNX at the core, a 30-year proven building automation system. Reliable, proven, secure. The system can control lighting, heating and blinds. Dimming is flicker-free, no matter what type of lamp. Lights can be timed on and off, or set to come on when it gets dark outside. Blinds and awnings can be manipulated due to local weather such as high wind or heavy rain. Shading can be controlled dependent upon the location of the building, reacting to the sun position and how bright it is. Heating control can be zoned or controlled room by room, and it can be wet or dry, radiators or underfloor heating. It is compatible with mechanical ventilation and heat recovery, and fan speeds can be boosted due to high humidity or CO2 levels. You can create multiple scenes to suit your requirements. These can be operated by a switch or via an app. And smoke and heat sensors can be integrated. Secure wireless product is available just in case of last minute changes or later additions, even wireless switching. Single channel output devices are available that can be installed next to the element that needs to be controlled. The local weather station measures light levels on 3 axes, has a rain sensor and accurate wind measurement. It is possible to integrate IP cameras or link to your doorbell app. And of course, voice control is possible. And don't forget, because it is based on a 30-volt DC bus, the whole system has a low electromagnetic signal. Simple to install and simple to use. The system needs to be easy to set up and easy to use. Luxor Plug is the setup and commissioning software that runs on Windows computers. It is simple to use with a drag and drop interface. You can download it free from the Tabon website. Luxor Play is the app to control your installation from any phone or tablet, and there is a version for Windows. It is a free download from either app store. Once your installation is commissioned and you have installed the app, you have a full visualization for your home. One app, one solution, free of charge. So who is Tabon? A small startup maybe? A huge corporate enterprise that is financed by selling your data? No, not at all. Tabon is a family-owned major German manufacturer. We manufacture 90% of our products at our headquarters in Hagelock, Germany. The remainder is manufactured across Europe, primarily in Switzerland. All the KNX certified products are manufactured in ISO 9001 facilities. Tabon has been present in UK since 1992. It operates under the name Tabon UK for home automation and other products from the German parent. It also operates as TimeGuard UK, a wholly owned daughter company. Tabon were the first company to market a staircase lighting timer way back in 1921. Today the company is represented in over 60 countries around the globe. Alongside Germany, the group has its subsidiaries in 11 countries, including France, Great Britain, Italy, Switzerland, the Netherlands and Singapore. And do we know our stuff? Well, don't forget Tabon invented the presence detector in 1992. Tabon is a trustworthy partner for your project. So in conclusion, home automation is an important part of your building project. Don't compromise on your comfort and don't risk your security. Do it once and do it right.